Hello, 8th grade. This is an 8th grade help video for an assignment that will be released on Sunday night, March 22nd. So on Sunday night, you're going to be getting 3 math assignments released, math challenges 1, 2, and 3. And this video is going to help with math challenge number 2. Okay, there will be a link to this video in that math challenge. This video is about how to find the volume of a sphere, the volume of a sphere. Okay, so feel free to take notes along with me if you're interested. So this is what a sphere looks like. It's a 3D shape. It's a 3D circular shape. Any kind of basketball, any sports ball you might have would be a sphere. The formula for the volume of a sphere is volume equals 4/3. So 4/3, or 4 divided by 3, times pi times the radius cubed. You might want to pause there to write that formula down. Okay? So we'll do a quick example of how to find the volume of a sphere here. Your homework, you're going to be finding the volume of a sphere on IXL. That's a learning website. That's where you're going to be finding the volume of spheres. So we're going to do an example there using this formula. Okay? So let's go over to IXL. This is going to be math challenge number 2. That'll be released on Sunday night, March 22nd at 10 p.m. So here's the problem. It says, what is the volume of this sphere? Use pi equals 3.14 and round your answer to the nearest hundredth. So let's plug what we know into the formula. So volume, whoops. Oh no, I can't write on that. Okay, I'll just copy that problem down onto the other screen. So take a look at the problem. You can see the radius is 3 millimeters. If you look over there, the radius is 3 millimeters. So we're gonna try to find the volume of this sphere using pi equals 3.14. So here's our sphere. Our radius is 3. And I'll go ahead and put those curves in so you can tell that it's a sphere. All right, hopefully you can still tell what that is. All right, so the volume would be 4/3 times 3.14, because that's the estimate we're using for pi, times r cubed. R is 3 in this case. Our radius is 3, okay? From this point, the rest of the problem is actually probably going to be done with a calculator, because we're going to have some nasty decimals that turn out here. But there's a very specific way that you need to type this into the calculator. You've got to be careful. So let's go up to a calculator screen. Now check this out. I'm going to start with my 4/3, but the 4/3, this is the big key, the 4/3 always needs to be in parentheses. Notice how I have that 4/3 in parentheses. That'll prevent us from having any mistakes. The computer doesn't know order of operations, so you have to tell it, hey, I need to do 4 divided by 3 first before I do anything else. So 4/3 times 3.14, because that's the estimate we use for pi, times our radius cubed. Our radius is 3, and we'll hit this button, the XY button, 3 cubed. Okay, that's how you need to type in your formula for the volume. Hit the equal sign, and it gives us an answer of 113.04. So if I go back to my IXL screen, it says round your answer to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so I'm going to keep it right where it is, 113.04. That is the hundredth. Let me double check to make sure that's what we said. Whoops, I typed it in wrong. Okay, 113.04. Yes, okay. So you'll hit submit. And take a look at the SMART score on the right side of your screen. Look what happens when I hit submit. It pops up, okay? You need to get your SMART score up to, what was it? Your SMART score needs to get up to 80, okay? So SMART score of 80 to get 100% on this assignment. If you get a problem wrong, your score drops back down and you have to try again, okay? I'm just going to start you up on this one. Notice in this problem, they give you the diameter of the sphere. The diameter is 8 centimeters. So think to yourself for a second, if the diameter is 8 centimeters, what would the radius be? So the radius would be 4 centimeters, because radius is half of diameter. So you'd be plugging a 4 into the formula next time. Okay, hopefully that helps. Please comment with any questions that you might have. Keep up the good work on this. Let me know if you're having trouble. And keep up the good work.